Hi guys, welcome back to Satisfying Arts. Today in this video I'm going to show you my painting set, what type of paints I use, and let's get into this video. And now this is a green and blue color from Fevicryl brand, and this box contains of 12 colors and each color is of 15 ml, and this is a yellow and green. And next this is a black and red, and this is white and orange. And next this is pink and brown, and the small box is from Fevicryl brand, and it consists of 6 colors. Actually I have only 3. So the colors are red and green and yellow. And next the camel set is of 12 shades, which is also known as a watercolor tubes, and this consists of several colors, which is of 5 ml each. And next let's adjust the frame. This is a acrylic colors from Camel, which is of 40 ml, and that is a blue color. And this is a turquoise green of 40 ml. And next this is a portrait pink of 40 ml from Camel brand. And next this is a lemon yellow, which is of also 40 ml. And next these are the slimes, which of several colors. This is a blue, I have already used it. And next this is a yellow color. And this is green color. And this is pink color. These are the painting palettes, and each of different sizes, which is a size 1 and size 4 and size 2 and size 3. These are the painting set I have used daily. So if you like this video, please subscribe and follow for more videos.